Hi friends, welcome back to our channel MJ Studios.
Today we are going to make hand steadiness tester. The materials are cardboard, sponge, copper wire, tube, fan, motor, insulation tape, switch, AA battery which connected to wire, safety pin, wire cutter, scissors.
The process is now first we need to take this copper wire and shape it into this zigzag shape. I made this zigzag shape. Now I am taking this and measuring the length. Now you can see I am using this as a reference point and using this scissor and making a hole. Now after taking this as a reference point, you can see one hole here. So I'll push this copper wire inside this. Next take the other reference point here and I'm making a hole over here. After next you can see we got a zigzag shape like this. Now you need to flip this down and see, you can see these two ends over here. Now you can choose any ends and connect them to this switch. But before doing that, I am taking this wire and dividing it into two and taking this much length and cutting this. Now I am taking this and taking the insulation at the ends and making sure it's thin. After you got like this, you need to take one end of this wire and connect this to the copper wire which we have already done it this with zigzag shape. After that I made the connection strong and neat. Afterwards I took this and connected with this switch. Now connection with the switch is over. Now I am taking the switch and sticking over here using insulation tape. After I cut, I am making this into pieces so I can stick them well to the switch. I am sticking this other side also. Now see, you can use this switch without any troubles. Now let's connect the battery. Before that, you need to connect the battery to this switch. Now the battery is connected. Now I am taking this part of wire and cutting it using wire cutter and I am taking this insulation over the wire out and doing the same method other side also. After I am connecting this to the battery. Now after connecting this to the battery, I am connecting this to the motor. Now we have a short copper wire. I am now folding this into a ring. I am taking size of my thumb. Now making it tight so I won't lose it. Now see, you got a ring like this sort of. Now I am covering this with the insulation tape. Now after this over, now let's flip the board upside down. Now you need to place the motor over here and you need one more wire. I'm plucking out the insulation. After I have done that, I'm connecting the other part also with the motor. Now I'm connecting this with the copper wire, which we'll use as a ring. Next, we'll take one side which we did not connect to the path which we have kept, and I'm removing that and keeping the ring inside that. Now I'm using electrical tape to fix this over here. After I have completed that, I'll stick the motor. And we'll use the propeller to attach it. Now I'm taking some part of the tape and sticking for the side which we did not connect it with the wire. Now I'll switch on it. You can see when I'm not touching the wire with this copper wire which is in my hand, the motor won't turn. If by mistake if I touch, the motor starts spinning immediately. So this is very easy to make and very commonly used in science exhibitions and fairs.
Make sure that you don't touch these both wires. If we touch, the fan starts to spin. If you touch these both wires, the circuit will be on. This is called an steadiness test. The game is that this ring should carry on to hold like this, and we should not touch it.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe our channel.